Today, we're going deep inside Indonesia's highly secured currency production system to uncover how billions of banknotes are designed.
Unlike ordinary paper, banknote paper is engineered with hidden security layers designed to resist counterfeiting and survive years of circulation.
These engraved plates hold every microscopic detail that gives each banknote its unmistakable identity. The offset printing stage creates the vibrant base colors and complex patterns that define Indonesia's currency. Intaglio printing creates the raised textures that people can feel have, one of the most recognizable security features in modern currency.
These advanced holographic systems help protect Indonesia's currency from increasingly sophisticated counterfeit operations.
Every banknote is inspected with microscopic precision to ensure flawless quality and uncompromising security.
After rigorous inspection, the finished banknotes are cut, counted, bundled, and prepared for distribution across the nation.
From this secure facility, billions of rupiah banknotes begin their journey into Indonesia's vast economy.